everyone. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am going to explain what is JavaScript and how we can write JavaScript code in our HTML. First, what is JavaScript? So the JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. That means like C, C++ and Java. JavaScript also it is one of the programming language and it is a scripting language. Scripting language means the language which is written by command base is nothing but a scripting language. The scripting language is executing without compilation. So for example, there are two types of scripting language are there in society. Like one is the client side scripting, another one is the server side scripting. Client side scripting is best example is JavaScript and server side scripting is Perl, PHP and Python are the server side scripting languages. And JavaScript is a lightweight and commonly used in web page development. That means the JavaScript is a lightweight component. So the syntax of JavaScript is very easy and also we can learn the JavaScript very easily. The JavaScript mainly used in web page development. So JavaScript can be update and change both HTML and CSS components. That means in general HTML the content of the web page and CSS can define the layout of the web page. But in JavaScript define the behavior of the web page. That means whenever we are performing any operation on web page, the web page behavior automatically change. So that is decided by the JavaScript. The JavaScript mainly used in client-side validations. So in HTML we can use script tag to write JavaScript code. The script tag can be used either in HTML header section or in border section of HTML documents. So this is our syntax. So we are using script tag to write JavaScript code. In between script tag, we can write the JavaScript related code. This is the example of JavaScript. Here we are taking script equal to language, script language equal to JavaScript and type equal to text or JavaScript. That means the language indicate that we are using the JavaScript code and type indicate it is a just like a MIME type or text or JavaScript. That means we are using JavaScript and the output should be displayed in a text format. Here we have a one function called hello. So whenever we are calling this hello from our HTML code, the alert message should be displayed on the browser like welcome to Java Basics. So this is our example. So now I am going to execute this example in our editor. This is our example. Here in the header section we are writing the JavaScript related code. This is the function hello. So this is our button. Java Basics the button. Whenever click on the Java Basics button, the hello function will call and the alert message should display like welcome to Java Basics. Now I am going to the code. Here Java Basics is the button. Just I am click on the button, the alert message is displayed welcome to Java Basics. So now how to include JavaScript code in HTML. So in general we can include JavaScript code anywhere in HTML document, but there are two ways we can write JavaScript code in HTML. Like there are two sections are there in HTML, header section and body section. So this the first one is the header section. So if you want to run JavaScript code when some event occurred, that means whenever user click somewhere in the form, in such a case we can write the JavaScript code in header section. So in real time we can write the JavaScript code in only in header section. So this is the example. Here we have a button like Java Basics. Whenever I click on the Java Basics button, the wish message will call, this function will call and display the alert message on the web page hello Java Basics. And Second one is body section. If you want to execute JavaScript code when our page is loading, in such a case we can write JavaScript code in body section. That means here we no need to write any JavaScript function to call the JavaScript code. So here this is my body section. Here I am writing the JavaScript related code. So whenever the page is loading, this message should display. Now I am going to show you the practical. So this is my HTML, this is the header section, this is the body section. In this body section I am writing the JavaScript related code. Here document.write, that means it just print the hello Java basics message on the web page. Now I am going to execute. Let us see, whenever the page is loading, my JavaScript code is executing and it is printing hello Java basics. So that's it. In next video I will explain